Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus, second chapter numbers and sequences, exercise 2.6. So this is a new exercise. In this exercise we will be seeing about sum of the n terms in the given AP. Okay. So first sum is find the sum of the following numbers. So first one is 3, 7, 11 up to 40 terms. So we have to use the formula Sn is equal to sum of n terms. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for finding sum of the n terms. So for this we need to know the number of terms, that is n, then a is the first term and the common difference d. So with the help of the given sequence we will find a and d first. So, a is equal to 3 here. This is the first term given. So, a is equal to 3. And d is equal to t2 minus d1. Second term minus first term. So, 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So, d is 4 and a is equal to 3. And up to 40 terms it is given. So, n is equal to 40. Then n is equal to 40. So, whatever necessary information we need, we got it. We will substitute all these details in the formula and find S40. So, S40 is equal to n is 40 by 2 into a value is 3 plus n is 40 minus 1 into difference we got it as 4. Just a simplification only. So, this is equal to 40 by 2 is 20. 2 3s are 6 plus 39 into 4. So, 20 into 6 plus 39 into 4 is 9 4s are 36, 3, 4 3s are 12, 156. 156. So, this is equal to 20 into 156 plus 6 is 162. So, that is equal to 162 into 20. So, 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12, 3240. So, this is equal to 3240. So, this is the sum of 40 terms of the given AP series. Second sum is 102, 97, 92 up to 27 terms. So, A is equal to 102. D is equal to 97 minus 102. So, we will get minus 5 as the difference D. Then n is equal to 27. So, we will substitute it in the sum of the terms formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So, S27 is equal to 27 by 2 into 2 into 102 plus 27 minus 1 into 5 into minus 5. Difference we got it as minus 5. So, 27 by 2 into 2 into 102 minus. So, this minus 5, that minus I am taking it here. So, minus 26 into 5. So, in these two terms, 2 is common. So, that 2 I will take it out. So, 27 by 2 into 2, then 102 minus 13 into 5. So, 13 into 2 is 26. So, this 2 will get cancelled. So, 27 into 102 minus 65. 102 minus 65. So, 27 into 102 minus 65 will be 7. 7 plus 5, 12. Then 3, 37. 27 into 37. 7 plus 5, 12, 37. 27 into 37. So, 37 into 27 will be 25. 7 2s are 47. So, 999. So, 999 is the sum of 27 terms in the given series. Okay. Next sum is 6 plus 13 plus 20 plus 97. In the previous two sums, how many terms we have to find the sum. Like that it is given. So directly we have substituted in the sum of the terms SN formula and we found the sum. But here in this only the terms are given. We don't know how many terms are there in the given sequence. So that we have to find first. So for finding that, the last term of the sequence is given. So if we find the last term, this is which term, if we find which term is 97, that will be the number of terms for the given sequence. So Tn is given as 97. Okay, so if we find the n here, that many number of terms will be there. Which term is 97? That we have to find. So here A is equal to 6, D is equal to 13 minus 6, that is 7. So D is equal to 7. So Tn formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 97. This is Tn formula. This Tn is equal to 97. So whatever values we got for A and D, that we will substitute it here. So 6 plus n we don't know. So n minus 1 into D is given as 7 is equal to 97. So n minus 1 into 7 is equal to 97 minus 6. So 97 minus 6 is 91. N minus 1 into 7 is equal to 91. So n minus 1 is equal to 91 by 7. So 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. So n minus 1 is equal to 13 and n is equal to 13 plus 1. So number of term is 14 term. So this 97 is the 14th term for the given sequence. So now we are asked to find the sum of the sequence. So that is n is equal to, for 14 terms are there. For this 14 terms, we have to find the sum. So S14 is equal to n by 2. So n is 14 by 2 into 2 into A value is 6 plus 14 minus 1, n minus 1 into D is given as 7. So 14 by 2 is 7 here. 6 2s are 12 plus 13 into 7. 14 minus 1 is 13. 13 into 7. So then this is equal to 7 into 12 plus 7 3s are 13 into 7. 7 3s are 21 to 91. So 7 into 12 plus 91 is 103. Okay. So 103 into 7 is 7 3s are 21. 721. So this is equal to 721. So sum of 14 terms in the given sequence is 721. Next sum is, how many consecutive odd integers beginning with 5 will sum up to 480? Okay, so beginning with 5 we have to find the odd integers first. So 5, 7, 9, 11, like that we will get. Will sum up to 480. So other than this, Sn is given as 480. So if you find the sum of all these numbers, okay, starting with 5, how many numbers we have to take such that the sum will be 480? This is the question. So for this one, A is equal to 5 we know. Then D is equal to 7 minus 5, that is equal to 2. So now we will substitute these things in the given formula. N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 480. Okay. So in this, n by 2 into A, 2 into A is 5 plus n we don't know, n minus 1, D is given as 2 is equal to 480. So in these two terms we are having 2. So n by 2 into 2, inside that we are, inside the bracket we are having 5 plus n minus 1 is equal to 480. So 2 will get cancelled, n into 5 plus n minus 1. This is equal to 480. So n into 5 minus 1, 4 plus n is equal to 480. So 4n plus n squared minus this 480 I am bringing to this side, minus 480 is equal to 0. So, if I rewrite this, n squared plus 4n minus 480 is equal to 0. So, in this we will get n value we will be getting two n values we will get, n squared minus 4n plus 4n minus 480 is equal to 0. So, we will solve this quadratic equation. Now, we will find the factors of 480. So, 2, 240, then 2, 120, then 2, 60, then 2, 30, then 3, 15, 3, 10, then 2, 5. So, 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20 into 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So, 20 into 24. So, if you take these two numbers, when we find the product, we will get 480. When we simplify this, we will get 4. So, n squared, accordingly we have to take bigger number sign should be positive. So, plus 24n minus 20n minus 480 is equal to 0. So, in this n into n plus 24, if it is n plus 24, we have to take minus 20 outside. So, n minus 20 and n plus 24 is equal to 0. So, that is n is equal to 20 and n is equal to minus 24. So, in this one here n value cannot be negative. So, minus 24 we cannot take. So, only n is equal to 20. So, n value is equal to 20. How many consecutive odd integers beginning with 5 will sum up to 480? So, 20 odd integers will sum to 480. So, answer is 20. This is how it has to be done. Okay. So, with this, I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.